Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Finally back in the shop. I've been almost 3 weeks total knee replacement on my left knee. It's coming along great. There's been definitely some difficulties. One thing, I need to go feed the chickens. Let's see what's going on outside. Think there's anything great? Yes, it's snowing. You can see I'm not really limping anymore. Or can you still see me? Oh, the chickens have been great in here. Look how deep the snow is here. You can hear the chickens going cluck, cluck, cluck. Let's get them some water. We have this sitting on a heater plate so that it doesn't freeze. I think I'll shut the door. So you have seen our new furnace. That is so nice. It's so quiet. I love that. I'll be able to actually work or talk and not be disrupted by really loud sounds. So I think we ought to get at it. Well, two slight, maybe three slight problems. Number one, for the past few days, been going through a cold, flu or something. Lauren caught it. Sandy did not get it, so that's great. Another thing is the legs. That's my goal today, is to strip the other three. I've started them. I took the caps off the bottom, and so now I'm going to try to successfully strip these legs off. And I made a little hanging thing over here. I don't want that to drop. Let's take a peek at that. This is a plate that will go eventually under the coffee table, so that we can just screw it on. And I had shown on a video earlier how when you strip this from the form, it's so pliable. So I straightened it out and then I hung it up, and it's still tacky. Now that I'm back down here, I'm going to get more serious about these curing so that I can put them under the coffee table and we can see the coffee table in action, so to speak. So that's what's coming up. I'm going to strip these forms. Well, just now, I'm back after, actually I've been gone for 5 days with a really bad flu, cold, something, throat, chest, whatever. Didn't get a fever, I don't know why, but I'm back again. Just going to be down here. I just want to get these legs stripped. So the first thing I'm going to do, so that I need to attach these brackets so that they can cure more and so that they don't bend, so we don't have crooked legs. That heater is working great. It does seem like it takes a little bit longer to get it up to temperature because it's only 60,000 BTUs instead of 100. There, now I'll be able to screw those on once I get them stripped. It's still just a little bit tacky. Once I get these mounted up here, I'm going to let it sit in front of the heater so that it'll dry off or harden quicker. So this, it's been, since I did this one, it's been 2 or 3 weeks since I've tried to do these, and this one has already started coming apart real easily. So hopefully it will carry through all the way. Look at that. That came off so much nicer. It's barely sticky also. Throw it. Yep. This side, however, may be a horse of a different color. Not sure. Not sure which weapon to... Let's just try this. See if it'll peel. No. Okay. Hammer. Hammer time. Do 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 do. We can't touch this. There we go. Nice. So that came out pretty straight. I like that. I have an issue here. Some buildup, so I've got to grind that down before it'll go in there. Probably a belt sander would do that. Or maybe a hacksaw. Well, I'm going to try this. I think that's hot. Nope, not too bad. Okay. So there's a few voids right there. Seems like I saw another one right here. I may have to run a coat over that, I guess. Let's see if it goes up here all right. Let's see. Not only do we have a leg to stand on, we have 2 legs to stand on. I'm bending this relatively easily to get it nice and straight up and down. Good. 2 done. On to the next. This third one stripped really quick. I like that. Hopefully the fourth one does. Then they're all done and we can just let them sit. I like the character. It's got some air bubbles in there. All right, let's see if we can get it up there. I think that straightened out quite a bit. Almost looks like hydroponic gardening. Let's see. Looks like this one could go just a little. That one's still sticky, but these are not as, and that's the first one I stripped some time ago. Okay, we'll let those cure. I'll face it towards the heater and the heater will blow right onto that. Okay, thanks for watching. I got the heater blowing directly this way. I can feel it right here, and I can feel it down in front onto the legs. So it should work pretty well. I'll give it a couple of days like that, hardening, and then the next time I'll be able to mount the legs to the table and see close to what is the finished product. That's pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.